High school now, District 2-5A, Sandia Matadors at the La Cueva Bears. Tim Brennan, Rainbow Maker, Chance Taker, Splish Splash, all that stuff. He got it. Other end, Bryce Alford, Mad Skills, showing up the double team. 31 second half points. Listen to that, 31 second half, 38 for the game. Sandia answering with another Brennan Beckett, but La Cueva wins this one, 71-67. Staying in District 2, the Manzano Monarchs still winless in district play at El Dorado. Eagles continues to soar. Zach Lee, he's soaring anyway with the jam. El Dorado up by 1. Monarchs hanging tough in this one. Warren Smith, kind of sound like Warren G. Draining the 3 from the corner. However, Eagles Cullen Neal would take over. Neal would come in, knocking down the tray from the far side. St. Mary's bound guard taking it to the rack. Neal has 26 passing. Alex Kirk for 7th place on the all-time scoring list with 2,122 points. El Dorado getting the victory, 67-46. District 5 3A, St. Michael's Horsemen at the Hope Huskies, and Jeff Gronenwald taking it for himself. That's how you get it done, off the window. 17 points for the big guy. Huskies on the other end, Diedrich Milford, he's knocking down threes and Hope is knocking down the victory, 60-54. Huskies rolling.